Hi! Today, we'll go over the top 5 best personal blenders of 2022. With technology and innovation continue to grow, personal blenders have become popular kitchen appliances. They're used for everything from blending and mixing to cooking, making smoothies, and more. They're great for an on-the-go lifestyle. This list was created based on quality, durability, features, customer reviews, our personal opinion, and more, to ensure that you find the best blender to suit your needs. For further information and the most updated prices, check the links in the description box below. Here it is, the very effective yet portable little blender you've been looking for. Meet the BABIE mixer. BABIE's personal blenders combine artful design with high-class quality. They are the product of a team of artists in the United States and a manufacturer with 30 years of experience in the industry. We think you'll love using the BABIE smoothie blender so much that you won't only think of it as a product. The BABIE's portable blender is incredibly user-friendly. The included container for mixing is a miniature water bottle. Instead of transferring the liquid to a different cup and then washing it, you may drink directly from this one. Smoothies made with ice can be made quickly, and the blender can handle just about anything else you throw at it. Check out the features of this compact yet robust blender. First, I know you'll be thrilled to learn that the blender is rechargeable. And guess what? Blending may continue even as the blender is being charged, so there's no need to wait to use it. The 175-watt, 7.4-volt motor in this blender makes short work of ice cubes and frozen fruit and allows for longer use between charges. Besides being TSA-friendly and USB rechargeable, it also features a detachable bottle for drinking, portion control, a custom ice cube tray, and a funnel. A good thing to know is that the 175-watt motor will enable you to make 20-plus beverages on a single charge, and the battery life will last you several days if you use it twice a day. What I like about this blender is that it can be used for so many different things, making it an excellent present for people like pregnant ladies, fitness enthusiasts, smoothie fans, nurses, college students, and anyone else who doesn't want to deal with taking the blender apart and cleaning it. There is no way to avoid falling in love with holding BABIEs. How adorable and practical. It's a wonderful companion for those long hours behind the wheel. The next time you wake up with a midnight hunger pang, instead of reaching for a snack or a can of soda, try blending up some orange, banana, berry, or strawberry. Most kids who enjoy drinking fruit juices also dislike eating whole fruits. You may get your baby to start drinking milk and eating greens by giving them a daily dose of freshly squeezed mixed juice. With its compact design, this is ideal for business trips. You can take it on your next trip without worrying about it wearing out before you return. Next up comes the Kiosk Personal Blender at number 4. With its extra flat 2-leaf blade, this portable blender makes quick work of grinding coffee beans and nuts, and its upgraded 6-leaf blade makes quick work of blending food into smoothies, juices, milkshakes, sauces, and jams. You have no idea how much strength is packed into this mixer. The nutrient extraction blades of the Kiosk blender quickly and easily transforms your ingredients into a silky smooth drink, using a strong new 850-watt pure chopper high-torque motor. This personal blender always mixes to perfection. And yet, what about ice cubes? If that's what you're thinking, then you'll be pleased to know that this blender can handle ice chunks and other hard items with no problem. Remember, this blender is lightweight and compact enough to bring along on any trip. You can easily transform your healthy mix into the To-Go Mux D beverage with the help of this set, which includes 2 bullet-shaped BPA-free cups with travel lids and a flip-top lid cup for convenient transport anywhere from the office to the gym to the classroom to the car. Take this delicious flavor of a prepared, nutritious drink with you anywhere. Moving on, the Hamilton Beet Shakes comes in at number 3. You're in for a treat with this little blender. The 14-ounce BPA-free travel jar is perfect for making fruit smoothies, shakes, and other chilly drinks on the go. The blender jar's lid can be used as a to-go cup. It's convenient because it's small, lightweight, and can be stored in most car cup holders. If you're looking to make a quick protein-packed smoothie for breakfast or a refreshing frozen margarita to unwind with at the end of the day, this stainless steel blades will power through the ice, frozen fruits, and leafy greens for dependably smoothie results. Maximize your body's absorption for nutrients from fresh and frozen whole foods and make meals uniquely yours. Like the others we've discussed, this blender is small and convenient to carry around. Its portability makes it ideal for use in tight quarters like airplanes, hotels, and dorm rooms. This blender is not only convenient because of its small size, but also because of how simple it is to operate. With only a single push of a button, you may have a delicious smoothie. So simple, right? All the parts of this Hamilton Beach blender, the blending jar, the blades, and the travel lid are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. You're really missing out if you don't get this Hamilton product. Before we move on to the 2 leading blenders of today's video, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons. Are you trying to find the simplest, most convenient way to prepare nutritious smoothies? The NUTRIBULLET Personal Blender, which we rank second, is perfect for whipping up a batch of your favorite smoothie. The food processor's robust 600-watt engine and finely tuned blades can transform whole foods into liquid fuel for your body in seconds. This blender has everything you need to make a smooth and delicious blend. A 600-watt motor base, an extractor blade, a 24-ounce cup, a to-go lid, a lip ring, and a recipe book. With cyclonic action, the strong stainless steel extraction blades effortlessly mince even the toughest foods. Are you looking for the best performance possible? The BPA-free plastic cups will last a long time and are quite sturdy. As before, this blender makes cleanup a breeze. Twist off the blade, wash it with soap and water, place the cups in the upper rack of the dishwasher. Easy peasy. A 1-year limited warranty backs this purchase. The NUTRIBULLET Personal Blender is constructed to meet or exceed all relevant North American and Canadian electrical safety standards so that you may use it without fear. Okay, gentlemen, the best mixer is right in front of you. This is the Ninja Fit Blender. The Ninja Fit is a multi-function, space-saving kitchen appliance that replaces several others. In just a few seconds, you can fill each of the 2 16-ounce Nutra Ninja cups with a healthy smoothie, nutrient-rich juice, or any of your other favorite blended drinks, thanks to the Ninja Pulse technology inside. This blender is top-notch because it facilitates nutritional extraction, i.e., it allows access to previously unattainable nutrients in whole fruits and vegetables. Create a nutritious beverage by drawing out the juices of fruits and vegetables by blending whole fruits and vegetables, including the peels, stems, and other parts typically thrown away. The Ninja Fit Personal Blender's 700-watt engine is strong enough to puree whole fruits and tough materials like leafy greens, nuts, and seeds into portable nutrient extractions. For frozen cocktails, smoothies, frozen sweets, and more, use this blender to crush ice and pulverize frozen items as you'd find at a resort. Small and straightforward. It's small enough to fit any kitchen surface and features clear buttons. Don't fret if you're new to using blenders and don't know what recipe to make first. This blender is great since it comes with a 50-recipe handbook that will help you get started making delicious smoothies, frozen drinks, sauces, and more. If you're looking for the best protein powders to put in your daily shakes, check out our videos of the top 5 best protein powders. We left a link for you in the description. Okay guys, we have come to the end of this video, and as mentioned, you can find the most updated links in the description down below. We'll be dropping new videos soon, so don't forget to turn on your notifications button as you wouldn't want to miss out. Till next time, see ya!